Now, we've been getting out a lot of these stops out here in the middle of Durmitor. This one looked like a really good one, so we're going to share this one. This is where we just came from. The Saddle Mountain is just right here, the side of it. Right there. We just were down there. And this is the way we're going. Wow.
Oh, there's more parking right there.
Unbelievable. And yeah, had no idea this is, I mean, we had an idea, but nothing like this. This is crazy. Unbelievable. Yeah. Welcome to Montenegro, our last country. Just passed through the border. So this morning we left Sarajevo. We drove about, it ended up being over 4 hours. Well, it's going to end up being 4 hours. We left at what time?
Like 8:30.
8:30. So we've been going for 2 hours, and we've still got 2 hours left. So, but we are almost in Durmitor National Park, which is where we are going. And in fact, part of this road that we're going to take is going to be the Durmitor Ring around the park. So we're going to get some really good views on this road, and then we're going to go into the tourist information center for the park, get some information, probably do a hike, some driving around, probably visit Terra River Canyon, and that'll probably be it for the day. So it's about 10:30 right now, so we got the rest of the day to do that. So stay with us for more Montenegro.
We're just on that road right there.
So we are in the Durmitor National Park area now officially, and we're on the one of the panoramic loops. I think it's actually 2 loops. There's loop number 1, loop number 2. I think 2 is like the one that everybody does, they say to do. So we're on part of it. So we're probably not, the pace you have to go down this road because there's just so much to see. The pace that you have to go in order to see it is so slow because there's so, I mean, look at this. There's so much to see here that, you know, we're not going to be able to do the whole loop with the time we have. So we're going to get like maybe a third of the loop done just getting to the park, which is good. And we're going to go right through where the peak is called Babatov Kuk. So we'll just pass right through probably what is the best part. So I think we're going to see some of the best portions of the loop, but not the entire loop. And we're going to go into the park, and I believe there's a hike around a lake. I mean, we could do this all day with these views. So we're just going to take in as much as we can with the time that we have, and we'll keep you updated as we go. This might be a video with just a lot of scenic views because, God, there's a lot of scenic views. I did get the drone up. I'll probably get it up at least one more time today later.
Snow.
We got a little bit of snow here. It is 70 something. But we're getting into some snow. So we're getting high up there. Lots of these cliff edges and stuff like this, and it's basically a single lane road. But so stay tuned for more from Durmitor National Park. we've been getting out a lot of these stops out here in the middle of Durmitor. This one looked like a really good one, so we're going to share this one. This is where we just came from. The Saddle Mountain is just right here, the side of it. Right there. We just were down there. And this is the way we're going. Wow.
Oh, there's more parking right there.
Unbelievable. And yeah, and no idea this is, I mean, we had an idea, but nothing like this. This is crazy. Unbelievable. Yeah. So if we showed clips before of the saddle, we'll show them now because we're right to the left side of it. And that right there is the saddle. Now we're up on top of the hill. I think we were somewhere maybe right there taking some video. Yeah. Wow. Feel very small here. Look how much more there is. Does look a little more tame over there though. Oh man. So we're just gonna keep enjoying the views, and we're going to keep sharing as we go along here in Durmitor National Park in Montenegro.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope.
Well,
I need you.
we are in the actual park now, so I hope you enjoyed that drive-in from Sarajevo. I know there's probably not a lot of us talking or doing anything like that, but it really wasn't much to say. You just had to take in the views and enjoy it. So I hope you enjoyed all those views. And now we're going to get into the park, so I'm going to finish up this video. So if you like that one, hit the like button, comment below, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Until then, we will see you next time.
Feel